Have you ever wondered why it's so hard to get people to click on your links or to opt into your emails or to just buy a product that you're promoting that's supposed to be a super simple system like copy and paste or duplicate, or maybe you went over to ClickBank and picked up a product or something like that? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you the number one reason why using other people's resources to promote products is a very hard thing to do, especially if you're not a content creator. If you're a content creator, you get a small pass, and that's coming up in this video. How's it going? Strategic Marketing Geek here, and today what I want to talk to you about is this ideal of incremental and degradation. Now, the very first time I heard about this was reading a book called Ready, Fire, Aim by Micheal Masterson. Now, for whatever reason, I always knew that I had a hard time selling other people's products, meaning that first it was MLSP, I tried to sell it, had a very hard time selling that. Then it was Empower Network, which I was with Empower Network for maybe all of 3 days, and it just wasn't for me. And then I had various other copy and paste type systems that I tried to promote that I didn't have success with. And today I want to show you why that is, because it's very, very important that you understand this lesson. So let's go over to the computer and I'm going to show you. All right. Have you ever seen this landing page before? I'm pretty sure you have, because if we look at ClickBank, it's the number one most popular product on ClickBank right now. So that means 9 times out of 10, everybody's promoting this landing page. So in a nutshell, what that simply means is this: if everybody promoting that specific landing page, every single time you send somebody to that landing page, one or two things happen. More than likely, it's a good chance that they've already seen this landing page and they've already been through the process to say, yes, I want the system, or no, I don't want the system. And as a result of that, what happens is most people just bounce back. They leave the page because they already know what's on the next side of that page. They've seen the webinar. They know what he's trying to sell them on $1,000 course, and they're not interested. So as affiliates, we can't promote like everybody else. We definitely can't use the same landing pages and resources as everyone else, because we have to stand out. Because when people see something that looks familiar to them, that they already know what's going to happen, we already lose them. This is why I don't recommend people use affiliate links. This is why I recommend people use benefit rich domain names. And I talk about that in my 2019 action guide. So if you haven't seen it, I'll link it up in the cards, as well as it'll be in the description area below. I highly recommend you watch that, because that's why I don't do that. But let's not stop there. Let's look at a few more and see if you can tell me what they are, or if you've ever heard of them before. All right, so right now you can see that I'm headed over to YouTube. So we're at YouTube. Now I did a quick search for YouTube, and I wanted to see Legendary Marketer, because Legendary Marketers are really popular. It's another popular one. So what I decided to do is I opened up 3 videos of different people promoting Legendary Marketer. So we can see this person, when we click on this link, we can see it says step 2, and it takes us directly to this one. Now, my question to you is, have you ever seen this video? Have you ever clicked on a link and came to this video? I'm pretty sure you have, unless you're brand new online. And let's look at his. We're going to click on it, open it up in a different link, and it says copy my system. So we already know what's coming next. So we can see this. Now, honestly, I'm not entirely sure if this is one he created on his own, or if this is actually dealing with Legendary Marketer. But this might be something he created on his own. So let's give it a shot. Let's see what's on the next page, because maybe he created this on his own. But see, here's the problem. The Fearless Mama. So basically, I've seen this before. This is where they're talking. These people spam the heck out of your mobile phone. They do a lot of stuff dealing with sending you links and things like that. But okay, so see, here's another system, meaning that I've seen this before. I know what this is. So I'm not finna click play on this. I'm just finna leave this page. And this is a great example. Like, I had no idea this page was here. I honestly thought he was sending me to Legendary Marketer. I probably should have watched this video, but he was doing a switch and bait, basically, pulling traffic from one keyword to send you to a different product. But that's pretty good because now I get this show in real time. Like, I've seen this before. These people send you so many text messages to your phone. How they get your text message, how they get your number, I'm not sure, but they got you on some type of text automated message type deal. So you can see right here where it's called the Fearless Mom. So this right here, I'm not gonna watch the video. I'm not gonna even click play on it. And why? Because I've seen this before. I've been through here already. I know it's about solo ads. I know what this is already about. So I don't need to sit and watch 6 minutes and 14 seconds again. So naturally what I would do is I would exit out of there. And as a result, that's what happens. So here we go with the next one. So this is hers. Let's see what she do. So if we click right here on hers, we can grab, says free video. Okay, and we can see she's using a standard typical, you know, landing page from the system. The problem with this is, again, if every affiliate is using the same resource, then as soon as they land here, they already know what it is. So it's kind of like you're trying to you're trying to re-prospect new affiliates. And the problem with that is, if they already know what it is that they're promoting or what they're selling or what's on the next page, or they've already seen it and made the decision that, hey, I don't want that, it's kind of hard to convince them using the same marketing material they already seen. This is why you have to switch it up. This is why it's very, very difficult as an affiliate marketer to have success when you use the same affiliate resources as everyone else. You don't want to do that. Now, if you reposition it and you said, grab the number one resource for, the best copy and paste system or something like that, where people already know exactly what they're getting and they're clicking through to it because they want a done for you system, or if you called it the best done for you system.com, best done for you system online.com, people click through, they already know exactly what they're going to. They already know, more than likely they might see something that they've already seen. But the cool thing about it is they understand that this is the very best online. So it's no more, I'm not clicking through to another course. I'm clicking through to the best. So for example, I promote the 4% group. 4% group is everywhere. But I only promote the 4% group as the best affiliate program because it really truly is the best affiliate program out there for people on a budget. So I promote it as that. And when people click through to it and they see 4% group, they don't see 4% group as, okay, this is just another affiliate program. They see 4% group in a different light. It's a different positioning. It's now, this is the best affiliate program out there that you can get, hands down. It's totally different. I'm telling you, one, if you didn't read the Ready, Fire, Aim book by Micheal Masterson, I really suggest you grab it because this stuff is really, really important, especially when it comes to making sales as an affiliate marketer. And two, I highly recommend you stay away from promoting people, products, and services using their resources when it's a ton of affiliates. Now, here's the deal. If you're brand new and you're just getting started online and you're with someone, meaning you're one of the first people to start promoting that product, then absolutely you can do it because it's not a lot of people that have seen it. You're at the ground level. Like if you're using a 2019 strategy that I teach you inside the action guide, that's a different story because you're going out the new fresh products that people haven't seen yet. So using those resources, you just have to understand over time it's going to stop working. But in the beginning, it's going to work because nobody's seen it. It's new to everybody. It's when the product is no longer new to everybody that it becomes an issue. So one of the easy ways to get around that is to use tools. So let me show you some of the tools that I use. So if we come over here, so for if I'm doing something dealing with affiliate marketing and I need a landing page, my tool of choice is ClickFunnels. I really wanted it to be Kartra, but honestly, it just didn't work out for me. So I use ClickFunnels. Hopefully, Kartra will update a few items so I'll be able to create the type of pages I need and get stuff done over there. But for right now, I'm rocking with ClickFunnels. If you into the DIY stuff, then my tool of choice is Elementor. Now, so this is Elementor, but actually it logged me into my account. That's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to go to the front end of Elementor. So right here, this is my tool of choice if you're doing a DIY style, if you're into that type of stuff, like you're using WordPress and you're hosting it yourself, then this is what I use. This honestly, hands down, there's no better page builder out there right now than Elementor at the time of this video. They are crushing it. So this is what I use, which is Elementor for DIY style stuff. And I use ClickFunnels for when I want to create quick offers and get them online really fast. That's what ClickFunnels is for. In my personal opinion, like as an affiliate marketer, that's our bread and butter. So those are the two tools I use. Now, if you use something like some other tool like Lead Pages or something like Instapage or something I've never heard of, and you already have a tool you're using, awesome. Continue using that. I mean, honestly, all these tools are personal preference. I like ClickFunnels because of how up to date the software is and how much work and time they put into ClickFunnels. I know ClickFunnels not going anywhere, and I like Elementor Pro because it's yearly. I pay it one time every year, and I get all the updates every month, and they constantly coming out with new updates. So I really like that too. So those are the two tools I use to get around this ideal of looking and having my offers look and feel like everyone else's. So with that being said, that's it for this specific video. Hope you enjoyed it. I really want you to make sure if you're doing this type of stuff and you're promoting like everybody else, stop doing that. I don't care if you go create a subpar landing page and go buy yourself an $8 domain name and use that. I'm telling you, you're going to have better results doing that than you will if you just continue to blatantly market this page right here or send people directly over to something like this that they've seen a million times at this specific point. So this is Strategic Marketing Geek from solopreneurcafe.com saying I'll catch you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification to stay up to date with the next videos coming out. And if you want to see the 2019 action guide, again, click the link in the description area. You'll find it down there. Till next time.